You don't have to be playing the protagonist or the second lead. If you can get your hands on a well-written character, even 2 minutes on screen can get you the popularity you deserve. Today at Simply Curious, we are taking a look at 10 such small characters in Bollywood and web series who became extremely popular. Guruji and Judge Sundar Lal Tripathi, Jolly LLB series. Guruji is a constable character in the Jolly LLB series who's corrupt to the core. He facilitates auctions for the government and is a superb character. In both Jolly LLB movies, he helped the main character in getting some important information regarding the case. In the same series, the judge character played by Saurabh Shukla, who loves junk food and the truth, is an amazing character as well. Rudra Bhaiya Stree. The character of Rudra Bhaiya, the self-proclaimed know-it-all librarian from the film Stree, was played by Pankaj Tripathi, is a riot in the film. He comes as the protagonist's trusted ally and gives major information whenever he requires. Silent Sardarji, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. Who can forget the silent Sardarji from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai? A Sikh boy at Camp Sunshine who usually does not speak but begs Anjali Sharma not to go when she decides to leave the summer camp. He likes Anjali Khanna in the summer camp, but the best moment which everyone took home was when he used to count the number of stars every time at night. Aakhri Pasta Houseful. Chunky Pandey is a versatile actor. However, it's his character Aakhri Pasta from Houseful that no one can miss. In all the 4 Houseful movies, there is one character which is uniform, and that is this one. It has a tremendous callback value. Mr. Gaitonde and Calendar, Mr. India. The editor, Mr. Gaitonde, who always gets a wrong number in the film, tries to handle his newspaper work in between the wrong number calls. He is a superb character. Anu Kapoor's brilliant work just transcends that character to a whole different level. In the same film, we have the character Calendar enacted by Satish Kaushik, who's also a well-loved though small role. Crime Master Gogo, Andaz Apna Apna. Who can forget Crime Master Gogo? Even 30 years after the release of this film, we still talk about Crime Master Gogo. That's the brilliance of this character. Enacted by Shakti Kapoor, he comes in the film for not more than 15 to 20 minutes, but what an impact he made. Samba from the film Sholay. His role in Sholay was limited and he had literally 2 to 3 lines of dialogue. But his character became legendary. Mac Mohan, who acted that character, has acted in many different roles later on, but he is still known for this one small role, that is Samba. Is it the brilliance of the writer or the brilliance of Amjad Khan, who played Gabbar, who used to call him every now and then, is a different question altogether. Shabana from the film Baby. Baby was a well-loved action thriller from Neeraj Pandey. There was this small character Shabana played by Taapsee Pannu that became quite a rage. The popularity even made sure that Pandey came up with a spin-off film called Naam Shabana with the character as the protagonist. Bob Biswas from Kahani. Kahani was a classic film, and Bob Biswas's character, acted by Shashwata Chatterjee, became quite a rage. The LIC insurance agent by day and a deadly assassin by night. He was a character no one saw coming. He became so much of a rage that a spin-off film, Bob Biswas, featuring Abhishek Bachchan, is in the making. Chellam Sir, Family Man. And now we are talking about the reason why we decided to make this video. Chellam Sir from Family Man. Chellam Sir, acted by Uday Mahesh, is a retired National Investigation Agency officer, and he's the most paranoid and most careful person you will ever see, who has answers to almost every question. From the time the web series has been aired, love for this character is getting more and more. Memes on Chellam Sir are flooding the net. It's one of the best small characters written in quite some time for sure. We hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, please press the like button, the share button, and do let us know your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to Simply Curious and stay tuned for more amazing and interesting videos.